After login, select Setting button. Select F and B. Select the section mode. Select Setting Table. Right-click on top right area. You can add Edit and Delete Session. Select Edit Session. You can edit the name and sequence. Select Add New Session. Create a new name. Click on the number table. You can drag-drop the methods. Click the table and right-click. Country table setting. You can edit on every table. Size, shape, color, markers take away. You can set different table layout. It depends what table design you like too. You can transfer the table to another session. Right-click on the table. Select Transfer Session. Right-click on green area. Connect new table. Once done, select Close and OK. Go into POS, have a look on it. Same as before, this time select Simple Mode. Click on Setting Table. Plus and minus are for add or remove table. Height and width are for adjust table size. Once done, click OK. Log into POS, have a look on it.